So we are here now in our new place. We just purchased our new
homestead, per se, maybe.
and this is what the house used to be. And it's this house that was here one time. It was built probably in the 1900s. And now it has been demolished for a long, long time. But yeah, it's going to be a new beginning for us. It's going to be a new thing. I'm going to get at 360. Yes. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Welcome.
So this is our new homestead, and we are trying to figure out where the entrance is gonna be. We are at the edge of town, little town, and all of these trees are gonna be gone. They're gonna make room for our house, for our foundation. This in here is the back of a field. This is going to be the back of the house. So this is the back of the house will be the east side. The front of the house will be west. This over here is north. This lot came with all of this railroad ties and pickup shell, and this little shed, which we're going to convert into a cabin. And then we have a chicken coop in here, which we are going to fix. We have a nice little tub that we want to refinish and use. But then over there is a wort field. I don't know what they plant in there. As to the east. Again, this is the entrance to the chicken coop. As you can see, we're going to have to do quite a bit of work. Some of these trees are going to be gone because it's just too dangerous, too difficult to put in here things. So anyhow, one of the good things is a lot of little wildflowers. These trees are going to be gone because they're in here at the shed. And look at this, is the fence that used to be here. The winds took it down. You can see over there how those trees came down on that property, on our neighbor's property. So yeah, you look at how this grew out, this wire, this fence-like thing. How it got between the trees. I'm gonna have to cut it. Just getting it all done. Yep, loading it up, baby. Loading it up. Wow, beautiful. To the east and to the west. Well, now we can see a lot better on what's going to happen, where our future house is going to be. It's going to be awesome. What a way to go. We are clearing the land. Yes, yes, yes. Checking it out. We're cleaning it little by little. Doing things by hand the real way. Yes, yes, yes. So there's Judy over there doing a little mowing by hand. We've both been doing it today. So she's got the machete. Watch out with that machete, girl. When you work with machetes, you have to be ready for everything. Yes. And this one don't want to come out, but you know what we did? We just pulled it out. Look at that. Yes, sir, Bob. Asking me who's going to win. Of course I did. Look at that. Okay, watch young kids when you're working with machetes, with knives. Look at that. Hello. So here we are, coming back to our piece of little treasure of land, and we've been chopping weeds because they're getting too large to be able to get in the back. So I've been chopping weeds right here with a machete. Yes, sir. Just like in the jungle. And that is what we're doing. Judy also did some damage over here with a big piece that is, she took it down. Look at that, it's getting big in there. And she knocked that one out of there. Now they just brought electricity to us. This is our electrical post. They put it in here. They brought it from way out there, about 100 feet back, maybe 100 yards. So now we're here. Now we can start. They're gonna come and put another post so that we can connect our electricity. We're gonna be parking our camping trailer over here on this side. So we're gonna have to bring some electricity. Again, this in here is the place that they're gonna be building our house. All this clear. Judy is over there doing some mowing. We're taking turns picking up some weeds, some trunks. Got a lot of different little roots that we need to still fix. Again, as we showed you before, this is our shed. We're going to turn it into a cabin or a workplace, and then this is our chicken shed over there. So anyhow, we have our firewood over there in that corner. We're going to do on this portion in here, right around there, we're going to be doing our garden. Again, this is going to be the walkout basement. It's going to come from here and come and facing this way. So far it's there. We're going to meet with our construction guy today to begin to figure out where we're going to start digging. And so we're just waiting for him. We'll be here about 10 o'clock. It's about 9:30 or so. So anyway, just want to say hi. We're going to continue moving through, and so we're here now. What? Hello friends, just wanted to share with you, we have moved our camper over to our property to figure out about our construction. They have done the walkout basement, ready to start building the top, the house, but this is what has been going on. We still have some dirt that needs to be pushed into the sides. And we have moved a few little things from our house. So they give us, they put a new post, new pole, electrical pole, and we have somebody coming over and working and put in some outlets. And we are utilizing now to be able to take it to our camper. Another blessing, let me show you. So we have water now from an old meter on the side of our property, on our neighbors. It's a live meter, and we have water. Our neighbor helped us out to put some connections there, and now we have water and we have electricity. So the air conditioning is working, and that is a good thing. We have part of the driveway. We put some rock into our driveway onto our future garage. I asked them to add some gravel all the way down to the shed. So this is what's happening. They're getting little by little, making progress, and just having a good time. So quiet, so beautiful in here now. Okay, so this is gonna be our first night here in our haven place, and we just got situated to sleeping here tonight in our camper. So what do you think?
I think it'll be good once we get the stuff out that we don't need, so we can have beds and get the bathroom situation figured out. Just little things like that. Adjustments.
Good. We'll see how the howling goes tonight. See what creatures we hear tonight.
Yeah, hopefully not.
So we didn't bring our guns, so we have any. But if they can howl, we can howl as well. Anyhow, hopefully we'll give you a little more updates on what we are doing on the construction. And right now they are just waiting. They're building the trusses and things like that to start building the house on the top, over the walkout basement. So in the meantime, we're going to be cleaning and just moving and shaking to continue making it look beautiful and feel comfortable in here. So we'll give you more updates as we go. In the meantime, God bless you. So we're here now. What?
Do you hear the peace and quiet? It's beautiful.
That sounds like a song. Do you hear the peace and quiet? It's awesome. Ciao.